your ball.
That's what she said. Today we are making a skinny taste zucchini meatball. So all vegetarian, and zucchini is in season, so we thought it would be a really great opportunity to make it at its peak. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to saute our zucchini. So we need a little olive oil, 2 garlics that we have already chopped up.
So, Catherine, when you hear zucchini no, it's not even meatballs, so zucchini balls, are you thinking it's gonna taste good or not?
In our house, we love meat. We have meat with just about every meal, so it's gonna be interesting.
I hope it's good. It would be a great alternative to, you know, meat and eat less. For my family, we do like spurts of being vegetarians. My older son did it for like 4 months, and I was really proud of him. And then we fell off the wagon when it was the quarantine time.
So I just added in my zucchini, and then with this, we are gonna add some salt and black pepper. I wish there was another word. I keep saying meatballs, and it's called a meatball, but it's not.
Zucchini balls. Can't get away from the word ball.
Yeah.
I think that's the word you have issue with.
Okay, so we're gonna cook this for 5 to 7 minutes, or as long as you need to get all the moisture out. After we cook it, we're still gonna drain it in a colander for about 5 or 10 minutes just to get any other droplets that didn't make it out of the pan. And then we're going to form our zucchini balls.
Okay, now that we finished cooking the zucchini, we strained it and we preheated the oven to 375. We're ready to bring in the other ingredients. So with the zucchini, we're gonna add Italian seasoned breadcrumbs, just like you would with any meatball. Beaten egg, some Romano grated cheese, and then some basil chopped up. So once it's all mixed, we're gonna start getting our hands into it, and we're gonna make, we didn't come up with the name, the zucchini balls, I guess. We'll just stick with that. And you're gonna wanna make them small, about 1 ounce size each.
I'm reading the recipe. I'm like, what is 1 ounce? I guess whatever size you eat your regular meatballs, right?
Yeah. So tightly squeeze into a nice ball, and then you're gonna place it on a sprayed baking sheet. Hold up your ball. I mean, mine's not huge. I consider mine like a normal meatball size. Oh no.
Gina, hold up your ball.
I didn't even realize, because I'm so focused and serious about our cooking right now, Catherine.
This is where you insert, that's what she said.
So, before we put it in the oven, we're gonna give it one more spray on top. And we'll put it in the oven for about 20-25 minutes until they're nice golden brown. And then while those cook, in the meantime, we'll start heating up our marinara sauce. All right, we just took the zucchini out of the oven and we put on some warm marinara sauce over it. I think it'd be good to add a little more cheese, so then maybe a little more basil for color. All right, I'm ready to taste. You ready, Kat? All right, let's do it. All right, who wants to talk first? Give their share. Do we just want to go right to rating, and then we'll talk about why we gave it the rating we did?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's surprise each other with our ratings.
Okay, first on taste. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, same score. So I thought it's good. I mean, I was surprised. I wasn't sure what to expect. I was rooting for this to be a good recipe, and it was good. I just gave it a 4 because I felt the texture was slightly on the mushy side for me, but taste-wise, it's really good.
I don't know if I like the meatball as much as I think I do, or if it's just the marinara sauce that I'm using.
Oh.
So I'm gonna take a bite without any sauce on it really quick.
Okay. Oh, that's a good point.
It's good.
Would
it's
you
not
make
gonna
it
replace a
again?
meatball. You know what I might make with this? think this would be a really good veggie patty for like a veggie burger.
Now that you mention
Right?
it, it does remind me of that. Yes.
Instead of zucchini meatballs, you can make a zucchini patty, and I think that that would be better than a ball, but it's still good. Okay, so what about ease, Gina? How easy was this for you to make?
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
5. All right, guys, this is us testing the zucchini meatballs by Skinny Taste. We think it was not a 5, but a 4. But alternative, if you make it into a patty, it could be a great veggie patty. But in terms of ease, it is a 5. So hopefully you guys want to try to make this too. Thanks for joining us. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next week. Bye, friends.
Bye. Thanks. Zucchini balls, green ball, veggie balls, green balls, power balls.